Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome to this very quick update on BONK. And right now, BONK has made a very good progress, of course. And it seems like, as I talked before, that the descending triangle here on the 4-hour time frame for BONK has actually proven to be good. So you had a move down, move up, move down, break to the upside, retest, and you have a technical target which is at 288 something. So that still is another move coming up for BONK, and that's going to be nearly 48% move to the upside. Now, even better is that you have a 4-hour time frame pattern here which has broken and retested. So if you look at it, this is a very clear break. You had the resistance here, move down, break to the upside, came down, and pretty much retested as well. So if you go with that pattern, it's safe to say that BONK is actually looking to move up to 1828. So that in the short term, you actually can trade this one. I think you should trade this and get a 22% move. So previously 938 was an alarming situation, but right now it's going to be 1280. So 1280 is the new place where you don't want to lose it for BONK. So as soon as you make big pushes to the upside, your stop loss also climbs to the upside. So from 938, we actually leveled up to 1280. And if you try to push up to 1824, we're going to actually probably bring it again to maybe 1548 and something, and actually see if we can continue all the way up to 2300, which is the main technical target. And that's all for the quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.